now, in an effort to slow the spread of COVID-19 and its variants, LA County, California is bringing back its mask mandate, requiring everyone to wear a mask indoors, even if they're vaccinated. And tonight, a local doctor is encouraging everyone here in Las Vegas to do the same. Thanks for joining us for 13 Action News live at 6. I'm Trisha Keene.
And I'm Todd Quinones. With 13 Action News anchor Ross DiMattei right now joins us live with the doctor's message for all Nevadans, regardless of their vaccination status, Ross.
Yeah, Todd and Trisha, 2 days ago, we heard from Dr. Dominic Martinello. He's the chief medical officer over at Southern Hills Hospital, and he was sounding the alarm about an increasing number of unvaccinated people having to be hospitalized because of COVID-19. Well, as a result, he's now urging everyone to wear a mask in certain situations to help slow down the surge of infections here in Las Vegas.
Most of us feel that the best thing to do is to keep going with what we did a year ago. Social distancing, masking in close confines, especially when you're around unvaccinated people, but even vaccinated people still can put on a mask and help out with the circumstance.
I'm not trying to create any controversy, but the CDC is saying that vaccinated people inside don't need to wear the mask, but it sounds like you're saying if you want to be completely safe, then the mask is probably a good idea still at this point.
Sure, so it's about degrees of risk. So what the CDC is saying is that it's less risky now with vaccinated people to be inside without masks. What we're saying is you can still wear masks indoors. It's not mandatory, but if you want that extra level of protection and want to help those around you, by all means. I mean, most of us in the healthcare industry still do, by and large.
Ever since the CDC issued guidance that vaccinated people no longer need to wear masks, it feels like face coverings have become a relic of the pandemic past. Yet Margaret still wears a mask at the grocery store, even though she's vaccinated.
Just for my own safety. I don't know who's vaccinated, who isn't. And with the Delta variants, I'd rather be safe than sorry.
Shelley suspects a lot of people are lying about their vaccination status to avoid having to wear a mask.
It's scary. I don't think a lot of people are wearing the mask and they haven't been vaccinated. And people that aren't vaccinated, they need to get vaccinated.
That's exactly why Jeff thinks the CDC was too quick to change its guidance on mask wearing in public places.
I would prefer that my guests wear a mask, but you know how the hotels are and restaurants, it's all gone. And yet here we are with the incidence of COVID rising again. So I think we should have left them on a little bit longer.
And Kenneth is no fan of face coverings, but says he'd be willing to wear the mask again so the world can keep working.
If that's what we're doing to keep from shutting down again, then whatever we have to do to keep from that happening again, then I'm all for it. So as long as we can keep people working and keep people back to their lives, then whatever we got to do to keep that going, sure.
So you heard from a few different folks there. Now, the one group that seems I couldn't track down today are the people who are not vaccinated to ask them why they are or are not wearing the mask. There's still no word yet on whether the governor or the county commissioners are considering reinstating health guidelines like the mask mandate. Live in the studio tonight, Ross DiMattei, 13 Action News.
Yeah, Ross, we are not out of the woods, that is for sure, because right now COVID-19 numbers and also the test positivity rate, they are quickly rising. Right now, they are about to where they were in February. State health officials say some 938 cases have been confirmed just since yesterday. Now, that is the highest single number of cases since January 31st. Health officials are also saying in the last week now, there has been an average of 710 new cases a day. That is the highest weekly average since early February. The test positivity rate is also up again. It is right now nearly 11% for the first time since February.